We're at a new laundromat on Indianapolis East Side. It's called Laundromax, located at Washington and Midhofer. Brand new laundromat. I've never seen a laundromat that had hot water that was actually steaming. I'm hoping you can see that. But the water is so hot that it's actually got some steam coming out of it, which is fantastic. I like hot water. They've got huge capacity washers and dryers. They've got washers up to 100-pound capacity. Here's what it looks like inside Laundromax. It's a really, really large laundromat. Take you to some of the larger 100-pound capacity machines. Get 100 pounds in there. Everything is card driven. There's no cash. You purchase a card that you can put money on at their payment center. They have we buy little cards, and they pop out there. You can check your balance by sliding it in there. Right now, they've got a special going on till I believe the end of July 2025. That if you put $20 on a card, they will give you an additional $10 free on the card, so you come away with $30. But everything is done with card, no cash. This is a 24-hour laundromat. Which is something we were sorely needed on the east side of Indianapolis. So, anyway, Laundromax. Come out and give them a try. Washington and Midhofer.